Hello everyone, in this video we are decorating a marble cake. The filling is mocha and it was for a 2-year-old's birthday party. So all of my baking is eggless and I try to make my cakes as moist as possible. And this cake was a little bit too moist and the second layer had started cracking a bit when I layered it. So thankfully it didn't fall apart. If it had fallen apart, I probably would have cried because it was 2 a.m. and I was decorating this cake and I didn't really have time to rebake and then let it chill again. I start decorating my cakes late because everyone's asleep, it's quiet, nobody else is in the kitchen, it's just kind of peaceful, so it's kind of the time I like to decorate cakes. However, if a cake falls apart, then I'm kind of screwed and I'm just up all night into the morning, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. However, thankfully that was not the case with this cake. It stayed together and I was able to decorate it. So I did my crumb coat and then I did another layer of buttercream. I do like to scrape off a lot of the buttercream because a lot of my clients don't like it to be too sweet. And I kind of like the semi-naked look of the cakes, but of course if a customer wants it fully covered, that is what they will get. So far I haven't had any complaints about it being semi-ish naked. I feel like it gives it a little bit of aesthetic. So here I was decorating this cake, and as I'm kind of decorating it, and I'm like, it's not really turning into what I really wanted it to turn into, but I kept going with it, and then I was just like, okay, it's fine. And I boxed up the cake, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it away, I'm gonna go to sleep, it's really late. But I woke up early in the morning, I had a few hours left before pickup, and I was like, you know what, no, I'm not happy with this, let me just change it up a little bit. So I pulled it out, I added a border to the bottom and it looked a lot better. I had also moved the spheres to one side because I didn't really like the divided look. So then I went back and I started piping a little bit of more green. I really liked this green color, but all green piping was kind of looking ugly. So I went and scraped it off and added some more white to it. And then I added a little bit more gold leaf and the end result was really cute. It wasn't exactly what I wanted, but it was cute.